Hey, my name is Punk. In previous 2 years, I started to learn Photoshop. I hope output first 3 months. I watched more tutorials and more videos about based on Photoshop. I couldn't be a graphic designer, but I was hope one day suggest Benny production. Step by step, I inspired by Benny. First, thank you so much, Benny. Because of you, I'm here. Now my level is this. When I start, I am here and now I'm in there. I'm hoping to create entertain and inspiration Adobe Photoshop videos for you. You can see my previous videos. In this video, I introduce myself to my channel. Beginners, I was still in the beginner level in Photoshop. My first lesson, don't copy other editors. Find your way, get inspiration. Editors who Benny, Face Runner, like me. Next video, I'll show you how make Zootopia to brand new movie poster. So don't forget to subscribe. We will see brand new episode this week.